Hello, Akash.
Hello.
Hi
Uh,
Akash.
Hello.
can you tell us something about yourself?
I'm Akash Mehta. I graduated from Pune. I have a big interest in sports. That's why I've been associated with sports since my childhood. Though I started my sports at a later stage because I found my interest at say 6th or 7th standard. Thereafter, I picked it quite well, and in 8th standard, I started representing my school and taking part in many competitions. And I actually explored myself through sports. So I think myself as a sports person.
Okay. Okay. Can you compare sports with management?
Yeah, sure. Actually, sports is itself management. If suppose we take cricket, and in that the captain is not able to manage the team, in that case the team won't perform up to its mark. Even though all players are of high caliber and the captain is unable to manage its resources well, he will suffer maybe defeats or maybe he'll win close matches in that case. So, in every place you do need management, maybe in different flavors.
Okay. What is the meaning of the name Akash?
Sky.
Why do you think your parents gave you this name?
Uh, Actually, I was born after many, they asked for me and they got it. So they wanted me to touch as many heights I could.
Okay.
So that's why maybe the name Akash might have been given.
So do you think you justified your parents?
Uh, See, whenever, at least humans, they will never be satisfied. Even if you become a big shot person in
I'm
the
talking
whole
about
world.
Akash, not humans.
Okay, not like completely yet, but at least my parents are very happy that I have reached a level where I am standing on my own feet at the age of 23.
Okay. So
So,
what remains now to ensure Akash reaches the sky?
Uh, it's that he can secure his own future, he can secure his family's future, as well as he can actually live up to their limits. Whatever their expectations are, he has to fulfill them,
Okay.
so
whatever it may
progressively
be.
achieving greater heights.
Yeah.
Now, if I just take that and take it forward, your marks have shown consistent decline.
It's not a consistent decline, you can see. It's from the Pune University. Okay. So this is my SSC, this is
Hmm.
HSC, and these are overall percentage. If you take the group percentage, that is 92.3,
Here in
which counts
these
actually.
four put together
Okay, these four put together,
would be around 60, some
yeah, around
60 around.
65 points.
So if I take these three figures,
Okay,
it's a consistent decline.
see, that is a state board, and this is university, and this is
Hmm.
Pune University. If I would have given my same exams in, say, a Bangalore University, it would have been more than 85%.
Why?
Pune University, a first class in Pune University is considered as 80 to 85% in Bangalore University, or any,
As considered by whom?
it's considered all over India now.
If
Is there a body which says this
Yeah,
is
it
true?
does say.
Which body says this?
If you go for, like,
let me
say, after,
let me just rephrase this question for you. At any given point in time, there might be somebody, even in, let's say in IIT, would be
right,
getting an 8 percentile
yeah,
over 10,
yeah,
right? So you have got an 80% here. So
yeah,
I would have expected here something around the same thing.
okay,
If I am talking about in terms of Akash,
okay,
right?
yeah,
So if there are 100 marks, there would be somebody or the other who is getting that first class,
yeah,
right?
right,
So there would be people in the first class and there would be some, I mean, if you're not in the topper,
right,
your consistency across your own performance,
right,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So forget what Pune compares to Bangalore or what Bangalore compares to Tiruchirappalli. You're not
Okay,
getting into that.
okay,
What Akash compares to Akash. There is a
okay.
steady decline.
Okay, now this 68% is distinction, and the highest percentage that time was, I say, 76, 78%. Thereafter, the this 65.6%, the highest percentage, that is the first ranker in the whole university, was 78%. So when we compare it to the topmost person, it's still not very less.
Okay. Now, the second thing that I wanted to ask is your hobbies consist of chess, volleyball, and dance.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what kind of dance do you indulge yourself with?
Actually, any dance in which I can free my body. And nowadays I've started liking salsa, so maybe just sometimes I watch some songs and I try out the steps.
Akash, what is one thing that you hate about yourself?
Maybe sometimes giving a little too much of my efforts to things which are not required.
For example.
Actually, when I'm at my work, along with my work, I even do some of my colleagues' work. So maybe I give a little too much.
So why do you hate? That's magnanimity.
See, at the end of the day, what I achieve is only my stipulated amount. So rather, I can explore myself more. I can explore my qualities more.
I thought your hobby was social work.
Yeah. So it's social work for poor people and not who are of our category always.
Acha. So social work not for people who are your competition, but social work for people who are below par.
You can say.
Okay, which means you envy other people's growth and success who are with.
It's not envying other people's growth. If a person is of your caliber, he is capable enough to carry himself through.
He's not capable. That's why he's asking help from you, or you're helping
It's
him.
not about he's not capable, it's because he wants to neglect his work.
Okay.
And that's why
So isn't that social work?
if a person neglects his work at the like see even that will be social work by not helping him because supposedly I leave the my job thereafter he suffers. So what's the use of I helping him today? By not helping him now, I'm
Are you
helping
trying
him
to
to
help the poor that you are helping throughout your life?
as far as possible till the time I
That
can
particular
help.
family, that particular person throughout your life who's poor.
Yeah, sure, I can. If at all I will be able to, I will certainly do that till the end of
Have you
my
been
life.
doing it till now?
Actually, in my family, it is being done. One person is there who is now manager of TCS. So that guy, his education was sponsored by my father.
Acha. And who have you adopted?
Uh, I haven't adopted anyone yet. I've just started with it.
So what do you
Seeing
do in your social work?
now what we'll be doing is we won't be financing any poor like these poor people, but rather we'll go there and try to develop the skills each individual
That
has.
seems to be in social work, Akash.
Mm.
Your heart seems to be in social work. Am I right?
Yeah, actually, we've seen some situations, so it does happen. Yeah.
So why don't you look at doing your management from some institute where the focus is social work?
See, like
Why this institute where the focus is purely get into a company, get a job, move ahead?
see social work I can do even through other institutes. Why make it only a career? I can do social work along with the career and in fact help others more. If I earn better, I can help more people. If
But
I
you
have the
just said
will.
you've decided not to help financially.
I never said that. I never said that. I prefer to help people who are financially below par.
What are your values in life?
Help others as much as possible. And as I said, live and let live means if suppose someone is he's suffering from something, I'll help him as far as possible to my limit. If at all there is a creature who's dying, I'll always try and take it to the vet. That is what our principles have. Uh, Saving, I can not say saving, but a person was lying on the ground in the middle of the road. So we were two friends. We took him aside. He was actually feeling giddy and there's some other problem with him. We never knew. So some person told me to give him the iron key and he was fine after that. So that's what we could do at that time.
ठीक है. Akash, final question. Why should we select you?
For a manager, the more diverse he is and like he's a jack of all and master of one can be a very good profile for a manager.
So you are master of what?
I will be a master of whatever I do specialization into and my specialization would be especially finance.
So you are a jack of all.
I am now a jack of all and technically I am quite good but I want to get into entrepreneurship so this will be my core skill.